prawns and chili. Can't go wrong. I've got my good friend Shaun here from Vusi restaurant.
Let's get it going.
For our chili crunch, I just like to decant it into a little cast iron pot. Nice thing about all these elements, you can make them in advance before your people come through for the braai.
I'm like the complete opposite when it comes to braai. It's a very long braai.
That you make them wait.
Yes.
What we're gonna do here is a little salad, some charred kale. I love charred kale. You know, you could braai lettuce also if you wanted to.
How do you braai lettuce?
Very quickly. What we're gonna make is a little take on an escabeche.
Yeah.
It's got some orange juice in there. We've got some vinegar. The recipe is in the comments, as the kids say. Done. So easy. Cut vegetable in half. So I just want to char them on one side. Then once they're charred, we pop them into the braai. I like to keep the head on and take the shell off the tail.
Okay.
Because I find that very annoying to try and be like, you know, but people like that, but you can do what you want.
So this is like the fancy prawns.
It's not fancy, it's just the way I like it. Bend it in the middle, squeeze the tail.
Yep.
The way we're gonna cook the prawns, we're gonna cook them high heat on the shell. So Shaun, when I do something fun, just to make those fats in the prawn really explode, grab a log for me and burn the shells. So the idea is that you pass this around your friends, people dig in and just dip it into the chili crunch.
I am suddenly hungry. The fire adds that wonderful element, and I am a sucker for heat. So go Mozambican prawns, buddy.
Thank you, sir.